This is how to cook in stainless steel. Let's go. Alright, well, first things first, just pulled out some keto creme brulee. Gotta love my succulent in the background. These are some cleaning things I use. This right here, Chainmail scrubber, get one. I'll probably have an affiliate link in the description. Support the channel, thank you. Cleaning up messes on stoves, anywhere else. This is pretty awesome. Get one of those. So, step one, preheat. Alright, so this is my stove. I put it at about almost a 4 there. And then you've got your stainless steel preheating. In the meantime, grab your eggs. Got my cage-free, organic, brown, large, grade A. So as that's preheating, show you what I do. Crack these suckers. Here's the deal. I really like eggs. I think they're amazing. I actually don't like the taste of eggs. So one of my little tricks that I do is reduce the egg whites. This is actually an awesome way to increase good cholesterol. In fact, this entire meal is loaded with good cholesterol. So you can save your egg whites for later, or do what you will. I actually do this so often, I've got so many egg whites, it's pretty ridiculous. So anyways, keep that preheating. I'm going to wash my hands. Alright, so I got my eggs and I beat them up first. Beat them. So one of the ways that I've actually found I've really increased muscle mass, even though I don't exercise, don't work out. I mean, I play with my kids. I got 3 kids that are always a handful. But anyways, is having healthy, good cholesterol. Because your body needs those cholesterol markers in order to make your hormones balanced, in order to make more muscle, in order to make a healthy body. Because there's far more troubles if you have low cholesterol. Check out Dr. Berg's video about low cholesterol. Definitely suggest it. Anyway, so you whip that really good. And this is only 4 eggs and two egg whites, basically. Just 2 egg whites, 4 egg yolks. So usually I'm cooking 12 eggs at one time. Usually I just eat those. But anyways, so you gotta let it preheat. Let it preheat for a while. We'll be back probably giving it 5 minutes. Alright, so it's preheated. You want to throw down some butter here. Good job, bud. Anyways, if you didn't know, butter's healthy again. That looks pretty good. You want it to sizzle like that, that's a good sign. Hold on. Alright, if it gets a little brown, that's not bad, it's not a big deal. I make sure I coat the inside all around here really nice, like that. By the way, if you have stainless steel that has baked on crap, use boiling hot water and baking soda, let it set, and then get a chainmail scrubber, SOS pad, whatever, and you'd be good. So this, since it's browned, that's a sign I actually overheated it a little bit. It doesn't have to be browned butter to do this, but it adds a little different flavor. No big deal. So if you wanted to make an omelet, this is the basics of how you make an omelet. This is the start. You don't do anything else. But it really ends up cooking pretty fast to do a scrambled eggs. Usually right now I'd add in some cheese, but out of cheddar right now. So you just wait a little bit. Grab my rubber spatula. And just move it around. I didn't add anything to these eggs. Some people will add cream, other things. But look at that. It's already pretty much non-stick underneath there. They cook really fast. There's like a Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs. Look how fast that cooks as soon as you got your preheat on. It's pretty much done now. Amazing, right? Anyways, add a little salt. If you didn't know, sea salt's healthy for you today. Once again, the doctor probably won't say so. But anyways, that's done. Boom, take it off the heat. Look at that. Fantastic, right? No stick. Whoa. Throw it on the plate. Got yourself some eggs. And what else I usually put on mine lately? Global Fusion Mexican seasoning. That's how I like it. And then usually I'd throw some cheddar on top, but like I said, out of cheddar. My kids love it. I love it. Cleaning's easy. But ow.